Hello everyone, my name is Diya Bekhande, studying in Bisha High School, Pada, Standard 10 Division C. This presentation is organized by Chanakya Academy's owner Samir Thakresan and our subject teacher Kalpesh Mahaleswar. In this presentation, I am going to talk about gravitation and some points like what is gravitation and who discovered it, etc. So what is gravitation? Gravitation is the force by which a planet and other body drawn object towards its center. The force of gravity keeps planet in their orbit in a solar system around the sun. Gravity is also known as universal force, which acts not only object on Earth but also object in any universe. You can see in the picture that the boy is throwing a ball and a feather. On the ball and feather is also act of gravity, but also on the boy. But there is a object which is giving him a support, his chair, and he is standing on chair. So next topic is who discovered the gravity. Everyone knows that who discovered the gravity, but I am telling some information about them. A great scientist, Sir Isaac Newton, discovered the gravitational force. He was born in England. He gives some equation of laws of motion, and theory of gravity in his book Principia. He also invent a new branch of mathematics which is called as calculus, and it is widely used in physics and mathematics. How did he discover? It states that he was sitting under the apple tree and observed that apple fall from a tree, and when this event happened, he at the late summer in 1666, other accounts state that Newton was sitting in his garden at Woolsthorpe Manor when this event had occurred. Gravity on Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. It is more than 10 times larger than Earth. The gravity on Jupiter is more than the gravity on Earth because Jupiter is more massive. Also, Jupiter is a great deal larger in size. Its surface gravity just 2.4 times than surface gravity of Earth, and this is because Jupiter is mainly made up of gases. If your weight is 100 pound on Earth, and it's become 240 pound on Jupiter, it's mean of 108 kilogram. What is relation between high tides and low tides and moon, gravity of moon? The level of water in a sea changes because of gravitation force exerted by moon. The water directly under the moon gets pulled toward the moon, and the level of water changes and causing the high tides at this place. At the place on the earth at 90 degree, from the place of high tides, the level of water minimum is low tide occur there as shown in the figure, and it happened in twice in a day when the moon is revolve around the earth. The upper side of low tides happened high tide, and the high tide become low tide.